Hi everyone, here we are at Incom and going over our #1 best-selling single placard holder. This is our mill finish aluminum, our most popular finish, and just going over some of the different features that are on this product and give you some background on it. So the backing of it is made from natural aluminum. The face plate here, that's made from a natural aluminum. You have a stainless steel clip here, so longevity and doesn't rust in the field. And then moving around to some of the different features on it. We have this ribbing that you can see on the side as well as on the crossbars. This gives additional stability to the twisting of it, makes it stronger, and we also put in a large drain hole. You can see it's quite large, and what that does, it doesn't get jammed up with dirt and grit and that kind of stuff as much as a smaller one would, so it keeps it clear. We also do these, as you can see, there's these little buttons on the back plate. And what those do is it gives a little airspace behind the placard so that when you're in harsh conditions, snow, ice, sand, grit, that kind of thing, when they get to destination, you need to remove the placard, you can kind of tap it a bit, clear it out, and it's much more likely to not be stuck to the back plate of the placard holder and a little bit easier to remove. One of the features we have up here is you'll notice that there's another 2 buttons that are just on either side of this stainless steel clip. And what that does is as the placard's being removed, it pushes it up and over this low profile stainless steel clip, making it much easier to remove and insert placards in the field, and much less likely for people to want to grab that and just rip the faceplate off and try and get that placard out of there. So it definitely extends the life of your placard holder. So if you guys have any questions about any of our other placard holder products, please give us a call here at Incom, and thank you.